Okay, well, so we have these little balls here of paper, and I have my amber here. No, so cool. You can see it. So I'm going to rub it with my clothes, okay? A little rub there here. So I can charge it with electricity. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's moving, you see? Oh, there it goes, look. It stays there. Okay, let's do it again. Let me rub with this other thing. Let's try it again. Oh, there it goes. Super cool. Whee! That's cool. Let's do it with something else. Okay, let's try it now. I'm going to put some little papers here. It's going to be a little bit easier. Let me charge it again. Rub it. And let's try it again. Oh, there you go. Look. We all looks like Minecraft. Hi, everybody. I'm alive. Wait. Magic. And that's it. Okay, quick find. This is super cool about amber. Okay, and remember, it's the only stone that you can do that. Okay, I hope you like the experiment. If you have amber in your home, you're a lucky one, and you can do it. See you. Bye.